The refreshed Tesla Model Y has been spotted in California completely undisguised, and it's already creating a massive buzz. Seeing this new version out in the open for the first time has left fans and future owners more excited than ever. Right away, the stealth gray color catches your attention. It's sleek, modern, and gives the Model Y an ultra-premium, futuristic vibe. But it's the design updates that are making everyone take a second look. At the front, Tesla has completely reimagined the headlights, making them slimmer, sleeker, and more aggressive. The daytime running lights now seamlessly blend into a strip across the front, adding to the high-tech appeal. The redesigned bumper and larger air breathers bring a more muscular, Cybertruck-inspired look. Moving to the side, the new alloy wheel design is turning heads. The 19-inch Aero wheels and optional 20-inch wheels give it a sportier stance, but what's surprising is that the side profile remains largely unchanged. At the rear, the redesigned taillights now project a soft mood lighting onto the Tesla badge, something we've never seen before. Seeing this next-gen Model Y out in public has Tesla fans buzzing with excitement. The refined design, new tech upgrades, and improved aerodynamics make this one of the most exciting Tesla refreshes yet. What do you think of the new Model Y? Is this the best-looking Model Y so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tesla news.